How to fix Facebook unable to log in? Unexpected error occurred. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all check your device internet connection. Then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar and type Facebook. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Facebook and tap on update. Now if any update is available, make sure to update to the latest version. Now simply go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Then go to apps. Then go to app management. Now tap on the search bar and type Facebook. Then tap on search. Tap on Facebook. Click on force stop and go to storage uses. Now tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now first of all restart your device and then open up Facebook. I hope this would fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.